हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल सारस ट्यूटोरियल पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज मैं क्लास 10 के बच्चों के लिए 2019 का प्री बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन पेपर लेकर के आई हूँ। ये हमारा जनरल साइंस का क्वेश्चन पेपर है। जी हाँ, और जैसा कि अब तिनसुकिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट हो या कामरूप मेट्रो हो या वॉटेवर जो भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में अभी प्री बोर्ड चल रहे हैं, उनका नेक्स्ट एग्ज़ाम जनरल साइंस का है। इसलिए मैं ये पेपर अपलोड कर रही हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को कुछ आइडिया मिल जाए कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं। ठीक है, और ये 2019 का है, सो ये इम्पॉर्टेंट रहेगा आप लोग के लिए। सो एंड तक देखिएगा वीडियो को, और जिन लोगों ने चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि मेरे अपकमिंग वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहे। ठीक है, तो चलिए देखते हैं 2019 में प्री बोर्ड में क्या आया था। यहाँ पे देखिए, मैं ऑप्शंस नहीं बोलूँगी, ऑप्शंस आप लोग खुद ही देख लेना। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, अ सॉल्यूशन reads with जिंक ग्रेन्युलेट्स टू गिव अ गैस विच बर्न्स विथ अ पॉप साउंड, द सॉल्यूशन कंटेन्स। ठीक है, ऑप्शंस देख लीजिए। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेथड इज सुइटेबल फॉर प्रिवेंटिंग एन आयरन फ्राइंग पैन फ्रॉम डस्टिंग। ओके, then question number 3, the three elements having symbols of Si, B and Ge are. Then question number 4, the change in focal length of an eye lens is caused by the action of the pupil, retina, ciliary muscles and iris. Ciliary muscles. Then question number 5, the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy takes place in. ऑप्शंस देख लीजिएगा। हाँ, ऑप्शंस में रीड नहीं कर रही हूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिलेटेड टू अफ्रेड ऑफ एन एनिमल। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एलिमेंट इज यूज्ड इन अ सोलर सेल। ठीक है, then question number 8, an example homologous organ is our arm and dog's front leg, our teeth and elephant's tusks, potato and runner's grass, and all of the above. Okay, then question number 9, a piece wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. The parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R, then the ratio of R by R is what? ठीक है, then question number 10, no matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appear erect. The mirror is likely to be. Then question number 11, write the name, group B, write the name and formula of the substance which is used to prepare the solution for whitewashing. Then question number 12, what are the two properties of carbon which lead to the huge number of carbon compound we see around us. Question number 13, what happens to image distance in eye when we increase the distance of an object from the eye. Then question number 14, why does an aqueous solution of an acid conduct electricity. Question number 15, if a trait exists in 10% population sexually reproducing species and a trait B exists in 60% of the same population, which trait is likely to have arisen earlier. Then question number 16, write the chemical equation of the reaction that takes place when an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, and also mention the type of the reaction. Then question number 17, you have two solution A and B. The pH of solution A is 6 and pH of solution B is 8. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of these is acidic and which one is basic? Or why do HCl and HNO3, etc. So acidic character in aqueous solution, while solution of compounds like alcohol and glucose do not show acidic character. Then question number 18, what are the different ways in which glucose is oxidized to provide energy in various organisms? Which substance is built up in our muscles during vigorous exercise may cause cramp? Then question number 19, why is the use of iodized salt advisable? Then 20, what are the advantages of sexual reproduction over asexual reproduction? Or how is the process of pollination different from fertilization? Then 21, state the two laws of refraction of light. Then 22, in the electrical circuit, three resistance R1 equals to 2 mu R1 equals to 2 ohm, R2 equals to 3 ohm, and R3 equals to 6 ohm are connected with 12 volt battery. Calculate the total resistance and total current through the circuit. Then question number 23, why is it necessary to earth metallic appliances? Then two circular coils A and B are placed close to each others. If the current in the coil A is changed, will some current be induced in coil B? Give reason. Then 24, how can you help in reducing the problem of waste of disposal? Give any two methods. 25, explain how to pesticides applied in agriculture affect us. How does energy flow in an ecosystem? Explain with diagram. Then question number 26, state Ohm's law, represent it mathematically. On what factor does the resistance of a conductor depend? Or define the unit of electric power. An electric motor take 5A from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and energy consumed in 2 hours. Then question number 27, what will happen if a solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated? Give the equation of the reaction involved. And B, write name and formula of one hydrated salt. Then 28, why are decomposition reaction called the opposite of combination reaction? Explain by giving example. Then 29, why are we looking at alternative source of energy? Name two energy sources that you would consider to be renewable. Give reason for your choices. Then 30, a part of periodic table as has been shown below. On the basis of the above table, answer the following questions. Which element will from cation, which element will have smallest atomic size, which element will have chemical properties similar to magnesium, atomic number 12, or nitrogen and phosphorus belong to group 15 of the periodic table. Write the electronic configuration of these two elements. Which of these will be more electronegative? Why? ये periodic table आप लोग देख लीजिए एक बार, ठीक है. Then question number 31, a person need a lens of power minus 5.5D for correction of his vision. What kind of defect he is suffering from, and draw the ray diagram to show how this defect is corrected. Then explain the effect of atmosphere refraction and advance sunrise and delayed sunset. Draw a diagram to illustrate your answer. Then 32, state Fleming left hand rule. What is the principle of an electric motor? What is the role of the split ring in an electric motor? or draw a label diagram of electric generator and write the underlying principle of it. Then 33, how does nerve impulse travel in our body, or how a mimosa plant responses to stimulus. 34, what are the major reproductive part of a flower? Draw a longitudinal section of a complete flower showing different parts. Or with diagram describe the process of budding in hydra. Then 35, what is fossil? How does fossil help in tracing evolution? Then or how does Mendel's experiment show that traits may be dominant or recessive? Then 36, why carbonate and rulfide ores one usually converted into oxides during the process of extraction of metal. Then B, name the method adopted to convert carbonate and sulfide ores into oxides and difference between them. C, mention the most widely used method of refining of the impure metal. What is anode mud? Or write the electron structure of chlorine and magnesium. Then B, show the formula of MgCl2 by the transfer of electrons, and what is the ions of this compound. Then 37, what is a oxidizing agent? Why is conversion of ethanol to ethonic acid and oxidation reaction? Write the chemical equation of the reaction. Write the name of the following compound. ये compound देख लीजिए, इनका name आपको लिखना है, ठीक है. और what is saponification? Write the chemical reaction involved. Why does micelle formation takes place? Whom is added to water? Then B, write the chemical reaction substitution reaction when methane reacts with chlorine in presence of sunlight. Then 38, draw the ray diagram of image formation by concave mirror when the object is placed between center of curvature and focus. Then B, an object of size 5 cm is placed at 20 cm in front of a concave mirror of local length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and the nature of the image. Or the refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this statement? Then B, an object 5 cm in length is held 25 cm away from a covering loss of focal length 10 cm. Find the position of the image, size and nature of the image formed. Also find the power 0.6 the lens. Then 39A, what is the role of acid in our stomach? B, how does the small intestine digest food to observe? यहाँ पे देखिए इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं ना, ड्यू टू क्योंकि 2019 में क्या था, आप लोगों का कुछ भी रिड्यूस नहीं था, पूरा होल सिलेबस था, इसलिए इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, ठीक है. हाउ आर वाटर एंड मिनरल्स ट्रांसपोर्टेड इन प्लांट? हाउ इज फूड ट्रांसपोर्टेड इन प्लांट? 40, वाई शुड वी कंजर्व फॉरेस्ट and wildlife? Give an example of people's participation in the management of forest. Or write about 3 are to save our environment. The changes can you make in your habit to become more environment friendly? Okay, this is your last question. I hope these questions will help you. So please watch it till the end, and whatever I can do I will do definitely. Okay, so इसी के साथ आप से यही गुजारिश रहेगी कि चैनल को शेयर करते रहे, और तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर.